Alright, I made it inside a new Costco right here. 95% hair reduction in just 1 month. $300. Okay, looks like you get a shaver too as well. Or maybe they're saying you don't have to shave. You just use that.
Yeah, let's just use our hand phaser.
Here we go.
Doesn't it look like the ones from the Next Generation movies? It looks like the hand phasers, like the phasers.
Shave body, press the button, and go to town. Okay, at first I honestly thought it was a nose, like a nose sucker, because I saw that picture over here. If you're needing a toothbrush, 120 ends May 10th. Your limit is 3. Another discount for 130. Now this one does May 3rd, ends May 3rd. And 70 ends May 3rd. Rechargeable 2-pack. Your limit will be 5. They also have the water pick on a discount for $59.99. Ends May 3rd. And all the heads for your toothbrush, they're pretty much $50. They all end May 3rd. The Conair high speed air dryer, $49.99. That's a little tiny new one. The Ninja Blend Boss comes with like a little tumbler with the handle, $120. $24. Okay, the Melamine Lazy Susan, you have it in blue, gray. They should have a red one, but they do not. I like how they come apart too. That's cool. 24. It's a 7-piece set. A kettle smoker. Alright, this is indoor and outdoor. It includes 5 natural wood chip flavors: hickory, apple, sweet mesquite, sugar maple, and cherry. Made in America with domestic and imported materials. $70. Hey, I actually need a pizza pan. Let's see, you get a 2-piece here for $20, and you know, this is a pretty good brand. $22.99. Your limit is 5. Ends May 1st. Ceramic food storage. There, it is glass. If you're needing a fun pillow, a fruit one, $10.99. Avocado, lemon, and watermelon in here. Hey, look at that guy right here on the blanket. This is $15. Also have a lemon print and kind of like a pinky tone floral. But you know, a lot of people are probably gonna buy the wiener dog because you know they're popular. Tommy Bahama is $20 for the waterproof dry bag. Put all your little wet clothes in there, your wet towel from the beach, pool. Kind of reminds me of the hunter bag that a lot of people do want. Same concept, you know, it's all plastic. Buckle, $20, so it is cheaper. It is cheaper. Are these real? These are 18. I gotta touch it. Yeah, they're real. No. Are these real? I think they're fake.
I think they're real.
I can't tell. They feel so good and they feel real at the same time. Like bacon real.
Yeah, they're real. See, this one's deteriorating.
Okay. They feel like the tulips from Home Goods. About $18 here.
Pretty.
Ellen Tracy swimsuit. It's a 1-piece for $18.99. This is actually kind of cute. Look at that. That's cute. And you know what, you guys? There's nothing wrong with the 1-piece. Young girls are wearing them too. They're cute. $18.99 here. They have it in green and a brown tone. Cardigan, $17. See, we still have a lot of fall clothing. That's why I kind of rarely show clothing, because it's all long sleeve here and I live in the desert. But they're $17 if you're interested. Kerrygold on a discount, $11.99. Ends May 3rd, and your limit will be $5.99. Let's see. That's this one. $5.99 for the Himalayan. I'm not too sure how much this is. There's no price on it. But it is cracked corn, oven baked popcorn with cheese. White cheddar cheesy smiles are $7. Do you guys prefer the white cheddar or like the yellow? Just like on the Cheetos, my kids prefer the white one, the white cheddar. $7 here. We have Siete. There's cinnamon chips. Hey, you can make these at home with your flour tortillas. Okay, so the cracked corn is $8.99 right here. $8.99. Extra thin French style flatbread. Oh, but it has goat cheese. See, I'm not a fan of goat cheese. $13.49. Chicken and cheese taquitos is $10.79. You get 30 in here. Limit is 6. They still have the bean and cheese organic burrito. I haven't tried these yet, but I mean, I'm just looking at things to probably fill my freezer in for the summer. $8.39. Fill it in for the summer. Ends May 10th. $11.59 here. We have strawberry orange passion. $12.99. Those look good. The limoncello sorbet. 70 calories per bar. You get 18. Also, mini honeycomb, $14.79. Hey, they had this one last time. I never bought it, but some people were saying they were good. I really want to try the limoncello. My daughter said these are good. Tide with Oxy, $16.79 right now, and Gain is $15.99. You get 159 loads with the Gain, and the Tide with Oxy is only 78 load. Kirkland, $13.99 for 146 load. And Downy Calm is $9.49. Ends May 3rd. Hey, these bad boys are pretty good. They're $8.49. They end May 3rd. No limit. Chipotle mini tacos. Put 2 of those in your freezer. These are just like the Jack in the Box one. The mini tacos, like the loaded. Oh yeah, put some hot sauce and cheese on that. We are getting into watermelon season. $8 for a seedless. 2 months ago, these were like $9. Which I'm like, $9? We eat so much watermelon in the summertime. I'm like, $9? Come on, cut us some slack. $189, 1942. Oh, it's the FIFA one. Okay, but the bottle's not going to be in there, so I can't show you what it looks like. But it is for FIFA. $189. 15 Dubai pistachio cream liqueur. And $33. Look, I got the trophy in there, the bear. 33, 32, and 99. And then next to me, $32. All right, something new. Seoul 1988. $35.99. Improve signs of aging. Support skin barrier. $35.99. Okay, we found something new. Something new in the Costco. Actually hoping for some new food, you guys. Oh my gosh. $20 here in the toner. Again, supposed to be a really good brand. Ends on the 21st of April, which is like today. But they still honor it. $29.99 on the moisturizer. Ends on the 26th. And $28.99. BB cream, SPF 40. Okay, who wears BB cream? Let me know. Because there's some days where I just want to not wear foundation, but I do wear concealer, not foundation. I just want something lightweight, you know. Just head out the door. I heard that the It Cosmetic BB cream is supposed to be really good. Like, for women of my age, which is, you know, my early ass 40s. Alright, this might do it, you guys. I might do it for the Costco. There's no deals on any soap. No, don't go down there. Let me go over here. deodorant. Yeah, no deals on deodorant or soap. But please stay safe out there. And I will see all of you in the next one.